Nagarjuna c.150-250, one of the 6 great commentators on the Buddhist teachings. He is revered as an unsurpassed master by all Buddhist schools. His teachings provide the foundation for the Madhyamika School, which propounds the middle way philosophy, accepted as the highest view within the sutrayana. He was also the revealer of the Prajñaparamita Sutras, the core teaching of the second turning of the wheel of the Dharma. He is also counted among the 84 mahasiddhas and among the 8 vidyadharas. Dilgo Khyentse Rinpoche said, "The 6 Ornaments and to Supreme Ones of the noble land of India asserted that there is no difference between Nagarjuna's commentaries and the Buddhist teachings. This is because Nagarjuna's commentaries cover all 3 turnings of the wheel as well as the secret mantra Vajrayana.